It's actually wrapped a lot.
Oh, it's a ghost.
Ooh, ice cream.
Tree. Smiley face. Dog. Ooh. Happy birthday one. Whoa, I didn't know about these. Unboxing, guys.
Doesn't even tell you
Doesn't
what's
even
in it.
like legitimately surprised.
Total surprise. Ooh, it's little.
It's him. It's the rare one.
Bunny.
And a little birthday gift. Oh, good thing I have. Yay! They're celebrating.